What's going on, guys? Today I am doing a brake job on my 2002 C5 Z06. These brakes are original to the car. I already have the calipers off, and the caliper bracket here uses two bolts that are 21 millimeters. The factory put red Loctite on these bolts, and they're extremely hard to get off. So the way you get them off is you have to heat them to 500 degrees with a torch like so, and you also want to use a breaker bar with a 6-point socket for better grip on the bolt, and you want to use mallet and hit this a good couple times once the area is nice and heated. And you want to heat the area that is inside the casting, which I will show in more detail once I get the camera zoomed in more. And you want to wear some hand protection and make sure your arms are protected whenever you're dealing with fire. Turn this on, turn it to the left. Alright, the flame is blue. Heat up the area here. Get the tip onto it. So you want to do this for about 2 minutes. Back and forth, mostly on this inner portion of the bracket, because that's where the Loctite for the thread is. And next, hit it with the mount. So now that it's loose, you can just use a socket and easily undo it. The bolt is probably very hot, so you want to put your gloves back on or let it cool for a while before you unscrew it. There you can see the remnants of all that lovely red Loctite. That's how you get the bolt out. The main thing I wanted to show was just using the torch and heat it up about 2 minutes. You should be good. Just be careful and don't touch anything that you accidentally heated. You don't want to burn your hand. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out my other C5 Z06 videos. Have a great day. Bye.